to change language on Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. In this guide video, I'm going to walk you through the process on changing the language on your Netflix app. So let's quickly get into it. Open up your app of Netflix, and from the home screen, tap on your profile icon on the top right. From your profile section, tap on Manage Profiles. Here, select your profile. Now the one thing that you need to know is you cannot change the language for all the profiles that you have on your account. You'll need to change them individually. So select one profile first and tap on Display Languages. Once you're here, you'll be able to see all of the language that you can change to. Select the one that you want to change to and then head back. It's going to give you a menu where it says it needs to restart the app. To be able to save the changes, tap on Restart App. And there you go. As you can see, the language now has been changed. Now similarly, if you have multiple profiles, you'll need to follow the same steps to be able to change the language on all of your profiles. So that was a really quick and easy video. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.